It made me wonder, how often do we speak but feel invisible? How many dreams die in silence, not because they weren't shared, but because they weren't received? This is the most powerful line that have I ever listened or speak, and might be it will create a very high impact on you. When you understand these lines, you can easily understand what is the power of silence and what is the dream real meaning. And whenever you feel these lines, you need to share your emotions with me in my comment box. I hope so you are enjoying my old videos and you are getting informed anything about communication. If you learn something, then you need to share me with in a comment box. And also, today's topic is very interesting. You know why? Because in communication there is one most powerful thing that I'm today share with you guys. This is the most powerful thing in communication. This is the most powerful thing to create impact. This is the most powerful thing to understand the front man. And if you master today's skill, then you become a great communicator. I know I already said that, but this is the most important. Everyone speak in front of people and they talk with anyone, but they fail to create their impression on other person because they lost their contact, they lost their word, they forget what they want to share. And if the front person asks the question, they shocked and understand what we do now. And what you think, is this the important thing or not? Might be yes, because when other person watch you, you cause nervous, and when you're nervous, you lost everything. And if you don't want to lose, then you need to understand what is the power of silence. Silence is the most powerful thing in communication. Whenever you talk with person, you need to maintain a silence in your conversation. When you deliver something, then you need to understand the frequency of your voice, like when you need to take a break, when you take a loud, when you take a slow down. You know, I also practice that, but because I never tried, so I failed every time in front of you, even in front of people. But I never lost my confidence just because of silence. When I conversation with anyone, I believe in myself that I can handle any situation with my personal experiences. After a long time, I realized I am not in a master skill, so I need to master that. In my previous videos, and I also watched some videos, they also said every communicator or every speaker work on silence and body gesture. And when you analyze that, you will become a great presenter or a speaker. And it's depend on you now what you want to become: speaker, communicator. If you talk about myself, I want to become a good speaker, good leader, good communicator, because these skills are the most important skill nowadays. And when I pass my exam, then I will show you what I am really working on it. Everything gonna be changed just because I change the situation, I change the things, I change my mind, I change the steps of the life. Every step has the duration, every step has the impact, and every step is important in life. When you master the silence, then there is one thing additionally, and that is emotional intelligence. Like when you understand the power of silence, then you will definitely understand the emotions. You understand your emotions, you understand frontman emotions, which help you to communicate much better. Every conversation is very important with emotions. When you connect emotions, people will remember you. Like if you watch any phone launch, then you analyze they share a story, not the features. Like when Apple start their journey, they just share emotions. And when you analyze the emotion and connect with it, you connect for a long time. And when you connect with a long time, then you can easily track anything, easily understand anything. But if you fail to connection, then all the things will be changed after the duration of time, and it's depend just on you. Why I choose this silence? Silence is the most powerful weapon today's era. You know, when you connect with people, you are saying something, then silence create an impact. And when impact created by you, then friend man anytime, every time listen to you. And when he or she listen to you, they will definitely accept your talk. And then you realize the power of silence is the most powerful weapon in this current era, which always I'm also understand. So although that, if you cross any limit, you need to understand the power of silence. Like I start my journey with a small word, and that is I need to buy my dream car. But after the time, I realized I lost many things. Even there is every penny has the value, and every value is worth for me. But I lost everything. Then I realized the every word that we are saying has the worth. And when you analyze that, then you understand the value. And whenever you understand value, then you can easily and realize what is the basic and important thing in conversation, and that is silence.